They are all Germany product. You can rely the product of Europe because they are very strict when it comes to cosmetics, everything. And it is not also expensive. This is also a face cream, Vitality Regenerative Day Cream with calcium, collagen, Q10, and soya oil for mature skin. Great protection for a radiant complexion with SPF 15. It provides essential repair and intense moisturization. So nag-provide siya og essential repair and intense moisturization. So hindi siya lip tan, ha? So the recommending age is this one. The recommending age 35 to 60 above. After cleansing your face and neck, gently massage into your face and neck. So, ito siya, hindi ko pa siya nabuksan. Still sealed pa siya. So, the same yung ano nila. So, ito siya, 50 ml. Ito siya, nagamit ko na. Buksan natin. So, ito na siya. Ito siya. So, ilagay lang natin. Kunti lang. Dito ta sa pikas. Kunti lang. Dito tayo. So, ito siya. Maganda din siya. Mabango din siya, mabango. If you want to look younger, use this Vitality face cream with collagen and soya oil with calcium. You want to look your face like this, so shiny. Very nice. I recommend this product. This is made from Germany. Sa kamay ko siya nilagay para ma-focus siya sa camera. So kung ganito sa kamay, mas lalo na sa mukha. So meaning, your face look younger. And oh, look at it, it's very nice. So why not try this kind of product? I use this one since I am here in Netherlands. At saka kailangan din natin ang collagen sa mukha. Especially if we are older na. Thanks for watching and God bless you all.